Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make probiotic pickles at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the best cucumbers to the simple fermentation process. You'll discover how easy it is to create your own batch of tangy, gut-friendly pickles using just a few common items. Get ready to transform fresh cucumbers into a delicious, healthy snack that's perfect for any meal. Let's get started on this fun and rewarding kitchen project. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 2 pounds of small, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally fresh from the market. For the brine, combine 2 tablespoons of non-iodized sea salt with 1 quart of filtered water, ensuring the salt fully dissolves. A clean, wide-mouth glass jar, at least 1 quart in size, is perfect for fermentation. You might also want some garlic cloves or dill for extra flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. First, tightly pack your prepared cucumbers into the clean glass jar. You can add any desired spices like garlic or dill sprigs now. Next, carefully pour the salt brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Use a fermentation weight or a small plate to keep them under the liquid. Seal the jar loosely and let it ferment at room temperature for 3 to 7 days, tasting daily after day 3, until they reach your desired tanginess. Once your pickles have reached their perfect tanginess, it's time to store them. Transfer the jar to your refrigerator, where the cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process. Your homemade probiotic pickles will remain crisp and flavorful for several months, ready to enjoy as a snack or a side dish. They're a fantastic addition to sandwiches or salads. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.